Water. Without it, life would not exist. It is one of our most precious natural resources. In the Canadian province of Ontario, Niagara Falls embodies the power and grandeur of water in motion. In high flow, more than 6 million cubic feet of water falls over the crest line every minute. It is the most powerful waterfall in North America. Though the natural spectacle of Niagara is impressive, the day-to-day process of providing clean drinking water to the people of Ontario is an even more daunting task. The Ontario Clean Water Agency, OCWA, is a crown agency of the province of Ontario. Headquartered in Toronto, OCWA is in the business of providing safe and reliable clean water services. In fact, OCWA provides more clean water management services to more communities than any other water and wastewater service organization in Ontario.
The Ontario Clean Water Agency is an agency of the Ministry of Environment of the Province of Ontario. We are challenged or charged with looking after water and wastewater operations across the entire province.
The province of Ontario is approximately 2.5 times the size of Texas. OCWA currently operates 502 water and wastewater treatment facilities, serving over 30% of Ontario's population with water treatment services and over 40% with wastewater treatment services.
The most important benefit of our solution to our clients is that it allows us to give them a scalable system, whether it be a small municipality or a big municipality, giving them the Outpost 5 panel, which is standardized, the HMI and the Wonderware suite of tools and software, our asset management, work management system, our PDC, process data collection. It gives us the total solution to all of the communities, and it's totally scalable and meets their needs and requirements to keep them compliant and meet all regulatory requirements to provide safe, clear drinking water throughout the province of Ontario.
Working together with Wonderware has enabled OCWA to provide clean water management services to all of its clients, large and small.
The biggest benefit of the OCWA Wonderware package is that it allows us to be scalable. It allows us to measure and to be able to ensure that water in a very small municipality is the same high level, high quality, or the effluent being released from their wastewater plant is at the same high level and high quality as those at larger utilities, which have many more staff and many more operators to work at achieving.
Because OCWA must conform to mandatory government regulatory requirements, dynamic real-time recording data is an integral part of their operation.
In the environment in which we work today, it's not enough just to do an excellent job, and our staff in the field do an excellent job on the water and wastewater side of ensuring compliance at all times. What you have to ensure is that you're recording and documenting that work, and that work can be easily defended, and it's very easy to defend something where you can show the trends, you can show the analysis, and you can show the response times should an event take place.
The major advantages of the historian is it allows us to, if there is a problem, to review the problem from present day to past. We could go back a year, we could go back 5 years. In a case of a well, if we want to monitor the levels of that well, as groundwater levels change, we can go back and see trending over a 5-year period, either the water levels have risen or have they gone down, and what's causing this.
That's one nice feature about the Wonderware product, is that we can actually meet those regulatory compliance quickly and effectively across a large area, which would take, months otherwise. We can do it in a matter of hours.
Wonderware Canada East worked closely with OCWA to ensure a seamless transition to the Wonderware solution.
We had a lot of support from our representative here, so Wonderware Canada East. Whenever we have very difficult issues, we first contact them, then we discuss with them, and then we'll see what's the best avenue to go. They were very, very helpful with that.
Wonderware Customer First has proven to be a valuable resource for OCWA.
Wonderware technical support, I'm a heavy user of their website. The website is full with very rich information. I'm reading pretty much every article in there. So that's one part of the technical support which I really appreciate. We had, for example, a report development activity using the web server, the information server, and we run into some really serious issues, and we actually solved the problem using Wonderware tech support. I had a few people there actually talking to me, and we basically worked together on the system for about 2 weeks. And in the end, it was wonderful.
The province of Ontario covers almost 600,000 square miles, much of it inaccessible throughout the winter.
We have hundreds of remote areas in Ontario, places where you cannot get people to actually drive through. You have long periods of time you cannot get anyone there to actually watch the processes or see what's going on. So that's our way of responding to this kind of challenge. Instead of trying to send an operator with a truck on a daily basis to do some readings for flow or something that's required by the regulation, we are just basically monitoring the sites.
One guy can be on call for 39 sites. If that guy is on call and in the middle of the night he gets paged, he can get up, go to his computer, log on, see what the problem is, in most cases deal with the problem, and go right back to bed. That's great.
Wonderware software solutions enable customers like OCWA to move forward and innovate as their business needs change.
Well, the big difference on operation innovation is two things. One, as I mentioned, we try to standardize where we can. We find a good piece of equipment, we trial it, we test it, and we try to utilize it and inform our various clients that this is a tool that we know works and you may want to continue on with it.
Standardization helps OCWA realize a level of efficiency heretofore unimaginable.
Normally, a project this size would require a complex interdisciplinary team to actually work on it. It would take, I would say, about half a year to a year to actually do something similar. In our case, we just use one person, 3 months. It's very efficient.
The Ontario Clean Water Agency. Ongoing innovation, growth, and efficiency, all made possible with a little help from Wonderware.